Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. This is the REM here at O'Brien Street on the 5th of March 2024. Hopefully it won't be long before they're running it. Now this used to be a level crossing actually, and as you can see they've built the infrastructure here. They got the bridge built, and they have the catenaries strung, so they should be able to start running trains here soon. Here you can see it. They have a high embankment there built, where at one time it was level. And here again, it's an embankment. So let's see if they have the tracks still here in the embedded in the street. I think they've taken the tracks out. Unlike in Sources. Yeah, the tracks have been removed. And here's that old dépanneur that was right there by the tracks.
Hey, my grandfather's place was right along the REM here. You could walk down.
Oh yeah?
Here, like not even 10 minutes away.
It's amazing, the tracks have been removed from the street too. In Sources they still have the tracks.
Yeah. Well, I guess because of the value of metal, right?
Yeah.
Steel issues.
Well, the city removed it, so you know. But they didn't remove it in Dorval.
You can imagine it's not everybody that's gun-ho about these REM.
Well, no, if you're living right there, you don't want it because it's right next to you. But NIMBY, right? So.
I wish they had the foresight to put sound barriers.
Yeah.